Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Grammarly suggestions to stop context switching. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Grammarly suggestions, first, open your browser and go to the Grammarly website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a menu. From the menu, select Account. In the account settings, find the My Grammarly section. Scroll down until you see the Suggestions option. Click on the toggle switch next to Suggestions to turn it off. This will disable Grammarly's suggestions while you are writing. To confirm that the changes have taken effect, navigate back to a document where you typically receive suggestions. Start typing to see if Grammarly is no longer offering suggestions. If this does not work, you can also consider disabling the Grammarly browser extension. To do this, go to your browser's extensions or add-ons page. Find Grammarly in the list of installed extensions. Click on the toggle or the option to disable it. Reload the document in which you were originally working. This should stop all Grammarly interactions in that document. Feel free to re-enable the suggestions whenever you wish by following the same steps. You can always revert back to your preferences at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.